Hello, this is Ultratet LA200, which is a long-acting injection. It's almost like Terramycin, but just a little bit cheaper. We use it for vrotpotjie, tick fever, and a bunch of stuff. And this is a injectable mineral solution to help with a couple of mineral deficiencies. This is Restflor. We use it for inflammation, infections, and if we want to break their fever. This is Draxxin. We mostly use Draxxin for lung diseases. If the cow they start to cough or have lung infections and so forth, we use Draxxin, which works amazing and fast. This is Rednol, but you can also use Bernol. We use this mainly if our cows have tick fever. We give this, and we give a